BSc Biotechnology is a popular undergraduate degree program that combines the principles of biology and technology to develop new products and processes that can benefit various industries. After completing a BSc Biotechnology program, students can pursue various career opportunities in different sectors. Let's discuss few of the key career options and their roles. Research scientist. As a research scientist, you will be responsible for developing new biotechnological products or processes. You may work in a laboratory or a research development department, which is R&D department, where you will be required to conduct experiments, analyze data, and publish your findings. Quality control analyst. As a quality control analyst, you will be responsible for ensuring that products and processes are of the highest quality. You may work in a lab or in a manufacturing setting where you will be required to conduct tests, analyze data, and develop quality control procedures. Biotech sales representative. As a biotech sales representative, you will be responsible for selling biotechnological products to customers. You may work for a biotech company where you will be required to understand the product, provide product information to customers, and close sales deals. Regulatory affairs specialist. As a regulatory affairs specialist, you will be responsible for assuring that biotechnological products and processes comply with government regulations. You may work for a biotechnology company where you will be required to do research and interpret regulations, develop compliance procedures, and maintain regulatory documentation. Patent analyst. The main responsibilities of a patent analyst in biotechnology includes conducting patent searches, analyzing patent claims, and conducting freedom to operate analysis to help biotechnology companies identify potential patent infringement risks. They also assist with drafting patent applications and provide strategic advice to maximize the value of the company's intellectual property portfolio. Biotech consultant. As a biotech consultant, you will be responsible for providing expert advice to companies in the biotechnology industry. You may work for a consulting firm or as an independent consultant, where you will be required to analyze data, identify trends, and develop strategies to improve biotech products or processes. Biotech entrepreneur. As a biotech entrepreneur, you will be responsible for starting and managing your own biotechnology company. You will be required to develop a business plan, secure funding, and oversee the research, development, and marketing of your products or services. In summary, a BSc Biotechnology program can provide graduates with a wide range of career opportunities in various sectors such as research, manufacturing, sales, consulting, and entrepreneurship. The above mentioned career options are just a few examples, and there are so many other career paths that BSc Biotechnology graduate can pursue. If you like the video, please stay tuned for more. Thank you.